Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the today's session, I am sharing one of the best tips before attending any automation testing interview. Recently, I have taken almost 10 interviews between 2 to 4 years of experience candidate for API testing as well as Selenium automation testing as well. But the candidates are very poor in the fundamentals concept as well. I already told you what are the concepts you must prepare before attending Selenium automation testing interview in our previous videos. But you people are focusing on advanced concepts like TestNG, page object model and other topics you are focusing on. But you are not focusing on Java concepts. In the Java concepts, they are mainly focusing on like string related programs and string related entry questions as well, and also collections related entry questions. One of the simple and fundamental regular entry questions, that is nothing but from collection, what is difference between hash map and tree map? This question also not able to answer some of the candidates. And also one more very basic fundamental question, what is the difference between instance variable and a local variable? Some of the candidates, this question also they are not giving proper answer. And also one more entry question, why string buffer is used? But they are giving answer difference between a string buffer and string builder. You have to say where we are using string buffer in your project, or in which scenario you are using string buffer rather than string or string builder. You have to give answer the proper way. And also mostly focusing on the areas from Java, string collections, okay, and OOPS concept, and pattern programs like star pattern programs or diamond pattern programs. So you must be strong in basic concepts before attending any automation testing. And one more thing guys, so whenever you are giving about your project explanation, you have to give a short and clear and confident level answer. Even your project explanation, you are not giving in the proper way. So the interview panel expecting you must be confident in your subject, but you are very limited in your confidence while you are explaining the answer. I have seen many candidates guys, they are not good in fundamental concepts, rather than they are thinking about advanced concept. If you are not strong in fundamentals concept like core Java or Selenium related basic concepts, then you must be rejected in your interview. And also if you mention any SQL related knowledge, they used to ask SQL queries as well. So please remember one point guys, whatever you mention in your resume, the interview panel used to ask from those concepts only. Okay, so before mentioning any topic in the resume, please be confident and please be prepared before attending any technical interview. I am going to tell you what are the concepts you must focus on before attending any automation testing interview. From core Java, you must be focused on the concepts like OOPS concept, string related concepts, collections related concept, go to static keyword, final, finally and finalize method, and you must be strong in basic core Java programs as well. So they mainly focusing on string related programs, how to reverse a string without using inbuilt function, without using reverse method. Okay, so please be strong foundation on fundamentals concept. Then you can move to Selenium concept, and then any frameworks like hybrid framework or BDD framework, okay, or any API testing related concept. Okay, if you are not good in fundamentals concept, you are unable to select in the first round itself. I am not saying don't prepare advanced concept. I am telling first get the strong foundation on the fundamentals concept. Okay, and then move to advanced concept. Without strong in fundamentals concept, if you go advanced concept, then you may not clear in the first round itself. So that is the reason, first be strong in fundamentals concept. Please share this video to all your friends also. Okay, if you really like this video, please share to your friends and also hit the like button. We will meet in the next video.